Hello everyone to our channel and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix this website cannot be accessed error on Android mobile devices. So first thing, try to check if other websites work. Start by confirming your internet connection is usually and actually working. Just open Chrome and try loading google.com or bing.com. If nothing loads, the problem isn't the website, it's your internet. Restart your Wi-Fi or mobile data or contact your provider. This helps you know if the issue is general or specific. Sometimes also the error appears simply because of a typo. Just re-enter the website address carefully, and even small mistakes in spelling or .com, .net or .org can cause the DNS error. A double check can fix the issue immediately. And finally, if else fails, and if the URL is correct and the site is online, your phone might be loading corrupted old data. And here's how to delete Chrome browser data to a fresh restart. Open Chrome on your Android. Tap the three dots on the top right, then select Clear Browsing Data. Set time range to all time and check the cached images and files and cookies, then tap Clear Data. Close Chrome fully and then reopen it and try again. This forces Chrome to load a fresh version of the website. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.